Come Ganesh, थोड़ा पीछे रहो। आप ही करो। हाँ, इसको एक से नीचे जाएगा। Who's cutting here? I just well done. I've taken enough opportunity. Thank you so much. Yes, congratulations. Deliver lots more babies. Not to me, but I don't want anymore. Come. Now. Do that. मेरा नाम लिखो ना already. देखें मोबाइल में. Can find ना husband but can find ना. ये मिस already. Hey, please. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
So, I take a second center of Cloud9 at Andheri West. At Cloud9, we believe that pregnancy is not illness; it is rather wellness. So, we believe that every pregnancy is very precious. So is every child. So, at Cloud9, we believe that, and we give, a very magical, blissful experience to expecting mothers. We have got a huge, rather I would say the best team in the country available at all our centers as far as medical expertise is concerned. So this is the second center we are going to inaugurate, and way forward is that we have got many more centers to come. So very shortly I invite all my guests, Ganesh, Roshni and Arpit to please come in like that. रामधुरी में देगा ना? रामधुरी में देगा ना? फायर अलार्म बच सकता है। Come Ganesh. I would request my guests to say a few words about Cloud9 and their experience. We can start from Roshni.
So, good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here, and it's really nice that Cloud9 has opened so close to my house after my baby is delivered. No, but congratulations, and especially to Dr. Shantala, without whom I wouldn't have been able to have my two children. And like you said, that Cloud9 is thinks that when a woman is pregnant, it's not illness, it is wellness. And I think the doctor that really made me believe that and made me enjoy both of my pregnancies and deliveries is Dr. Shantala. So I'm very, very thankful to her. She will always be one of the most special people to me. And yeah, I like I said, I'm wishing that she delivers lots and lots of healthy babies and happy mothers, because she helped me be a very happy mother. So congratulations, Cloud9.
Actually, we had our first family baby in Cloud9 only. Shantala, doctor was so kind enough to help me and my wife have two lovely babies. The best part is she makes you feel at home. She takes care as if she's our own family. And I think so that's what's going to happen to Cloud9. You are very lucky, sir, to have someone like Shantara with you. And yes, it's close to our house, so we are going to send more people to you and to Cloud9.
Thank you.
So, sir, commission का जरा देख लें.
Cloud9 का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा मुझे लगता है कि सबसे डिफरेंट रहा, क्योंकि मैं मुंबई के सारे हॉस्पिटल में घूम चुका था कि थोड़ा कुछ था पढ़ूँ तो मेरी वाइफ को. तो जब Cloud9 में आया तो सीरियसली मुझे लगा कि मतलब किसी हॉस्पिटल में नहीं आया हूँ, मुझे लगा घर पे ही आया हूँ. मतलब कुछ भी जैसे सारे डॉक्टर्स वहाँ पर थे, डॉक्टर मैगना, डेंग सर, तो कभी फील नहीं हुआ हॉस्पिटल में हूँ जहाँ दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में लगता है कि यार आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन वहाँ से कुछ लगा नहीं मुझे. तो अब तक का सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा. और मेरी बेबी है जो बॉय है अभी 2 months का है, तो तो उससे बड़ी फीलिंग कुछ होती नहीं मेरे लिए. तो सुपर फीलिंग. थैंक यू Cloud9, थैंक यू डेंग सर.
It's always easy to introduce others. So I didn't introduce myself. So I am Surinder Khan. I am a regional director for Cloud9 for West. So I have got a lot of responsibilities to start many more hospitals, not only in Mumbai, but out of Mumbai, in entire West. Thank you. I would invite my guests to please come and have some refreshments, and also my colleagues from media, please. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please. Anybody has a question? Group photo. Come, ma'am, please. Come. Dr. Piyush.
No, ये शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा.
It's okay.
Call Dr. Piyush.
Wait. Smile, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just wait.
Wait, करो, wait. Sir, come close. Wait. Yes, ready? Wait. Thank you. only couple photo.
कपल नहीं उनका है.
हाँ आपका. Come close.
He's a bride के साथ.
हाँ. Okay. मैम आप.
ये bride है.
Okay, sorry.
ये उनकी bride है.
चलिए ओके मैं निकल रहा हूँ.
चलिए.
Bye all.
सर one single solo. Single solo. Wait. आज है सर. Look here.
वो तो भाई बोलने के लिए आ रहे हैं यार, शॉट खिंचवाने थोड़ी आ रहे हैं. सर
Sir, wait. Left side turn. Left side.
लेफ्ट साइड में कौन सा प्रोफाइल है?
Thank you, sir.
प्लीज
Dr.
निखिल आइए मैम.
फोटो ही नहीं है. अरे निकालने बोलो. Wait. Yes. सर आज मैडम आज
Dr. Nikhil is also free. And Dr.
So we have more people from the press, so we can quickly come inside. People from the press, if you could quickly come inside, please.
थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ तो और कौन था इसका?
या मैम यहाँ पे उन पकड़ निकल मैम लाइक दिस
क्वेश्चंस टू मी और टू रोशनी? क्या क्वेश्चन है?
बस रेशमा मैम से
वन सेक, डॉक्टर शांतला को भी आने दो. कम ना डॉक. हिंदी में कि इंग्लिश में? I think there are very few places which are not just hospitals but care for maternity and childbirth. You know, a general hospital, when you're a pregnant woman, you walk into a general hospital, you see people who have had accidents, people who are suffering from terminal diseases. As a pregnant mother, it can really affect you and make you feel quite scared of the medical experience of having birth. So it's really nice that Cloud9 has come up with a place which is specifically only for maternity and child delivery and child care. And you know, I think their motto is great, which says that it's not just it's not an illness, it's a wellness. I have felt the most fit and the most well and healthy when I was making a baby, because I think that's the most power that a woman has. And thank you to Dr. Shantala for giving me such an amazing experience of birth with my child and helping me be a happy and good mother. And thank you to Cloud9 for providing that facility in Bombay. And I'm so happy there in Andheri, क्योंकि अब लोगों को travel नहीं करना पड़ेगा ज़्यादा to go to Malad. Even people from Bandra, even people from town, I would encourage them to come and have the Cloud9 experience, especially with Dr. Shantala.
Thank you so much.
आपको कहना से आपने शेयर करना चाहेंगे ये इस तरह की फैसिलिटी एक छत के नीचे मतलब मिल रहा है लोगों को, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, हिंदी? No, English. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I think basically this is a amazing part about being on Cloud9. It's actually people are on Cloud9, they say. So it makes you feel very happy, you know, the little things that the founders have thought of, like, you know, having a dinner after having a baby, you know. So this makes the couple come close, gives them a special touch, sending them home in a car decorated with balloons, you know. Little things, they make them feel so special that, you know, having a baby is a joyful thing. It's not you go to hospital to have a delivery. It's you go and birth and you come home with a joy. So that's the beauty of being on Cloud9.
I would like to say about the medical part of Cloud9. We say pregnancy is wellness, not an illness. But it doesn't mean that we are there only for wellness and wellness. We are prepared for anything. So we got a state-of-the-art facility which is backed up by NICU. जो पूरी डॉक्टर्स की टीम है राउंड द क्लॉक. हमारे पास 7 न्यूनेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो राउंड द क्लॉक छोटे छोटे बेबीज़ को.
And can I just add that they have the best pediatric doctor, Dr. Indu Khosla. मेरे दोनों बच्चे उनके पास जाते हैं and I would not trust them with anyone other than her. So I'm so happy that she's also joined Cloud9, because ab mera rishta is not only for delivery but even after the delivery, to have Dr. Indu Khosla there is a really amazing thing for us. And she's right here. Please come, say hi, show them. This is the person who looks after my babies and I trust her with my babies and she's amazing. So yeah.
So I have just joined Cloud9 recently and I think I feel on Cloud9 too. It's a wonderful place and I see a lot of satisfaction in people's eyes who deliver here, and it's a wonderful feeling for a doctor that their patients are satisfied.
I don't think there are many places in the city which has got a team of doctors round the clock working for the patients. So Dr. Shantala, Dr. Nikhil, Dr. Meghna, Dr. Vibha, Dr. Radhika, Dr. Indu, Dr. Piyush, they have got our 24/2 backup team also to support them. So any given time, 24/7, patient is in front of a doctor. So patient is never out of sight of a doctor. So that is the type of safety as far as patient care is concerned we provide. Thank you so much. Where is Dr. Meghna?
थोड़ा स्प्रेड हो जाए. Come close. राजा. फ्रेम में आ जा थोड़ा पीछे। Look there, look there.